1. Sony Alpha A6300. This camera has the latest feature that can get an autofocus in only 0.05 second. It also has 24.2 MP, which is perfect for making videos and taking pictures. This camera can produce a high quality and detailed result. So what are you waiting for? Two. Sony A7R III. This mirrorless camera is quite expensive, but it has some features that cannot be found in DSLR cameras, such as 42.4 MP picture sensor and a perfect picture processor. This camera is also complete with double F tracker effectivity when you take a picture in continue mode up to 10 fps. Three. Sony RX100 VI. This camera is complete with high solidity AF tracker technology. This technology can easily detect your face and eyes, so if you want to set up the focus on this camera, you only need to touch the LCD screen in this camera. The LCD screen on this flexible piece can also be rotated according to your needs. Sony CyberShot DSLR RX100 VI. This camera is one of the cameras that have the fastest autofocus. This Sony CyberShot RX100 VI has 315 f-spots. It also has 24 fps 3, which definitely a holy feature for a user who loves to take pictures of a moving object. This camera is also complete with 20.1 MP sensor, so you can produce a high quality and detailed result. It also has 4K feature, which definitely will help you in making a slow motion videos.